Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Sweet Restore Glycogen Support review. So, you might be wondering, what is Sweet Restore here? So, Sweet Restore Glycogen Support is a dietary supplement marketed for blood sugar and metabolic support. Now, according to the Fish website here, you use a blend of white mulberry leaf, juniper berry, biotin, chromium, berberine extract, bitter melon, and cinnamon bark powder. Now, the company here mentions or says the formula is intended to support healthy blood sugar levels, insulin sensitivity, cholesterol, weight management, and cardiovascular health. Now, they do mention or specifically describe each of the ingredients here in one of the websites being sold. And if you want to learn more about it, you can go and read further into it in their website. Now, you might be wondering, how do you exactly use the Sweet Restore here? Now, currently, the website does not give specific numbers of capsules on or serving per day here. So on the page itself, so instead in the FAQ section here, frequently asked questions section, it says that the recommended dosage is the amount shown on the product label. Now, and recommends starting with the lowest dose and gradually increasing it as your body adjusts. So meaning the dosage itself may be different depending on the version that you're currently going to take for Sweet Restore here. Now, Sweet Restore here is described as non-GMO, gluten-free, stimulant-free, and non-habit forming. Now, the company says it is manufactured in the United States or USA here in a FDA registered GMP certified facility. Now, the website also states that Sweet Restore itself is not FDA approved here, so basically, and should not replace prescribed diabetes medication or treatment here. Now, the website currently shows the pricing starting at around, let's just see, like around $69 per bottle as of this moment. But as of this moment, Sweet Restore or the previous version of Sweet Restore is no longer um being advertised, and now is advertising a different product in one of their websites. So in this case, maybe doing your own research on this specific product or maybe consulting a doctor is a better take here. But they do basically provide all their packages here, like 3 bottles for a 90-day supply and 6 bottles here for 180-day supply. And they do mention free shipping here on it, and in this case, and no risk money back guarantee here. So they do say, or they do mention that as well in their website. Now, because Sweet Restore here is marketed for blood sugar management and contains ingredients such as berberine and bitter melon here, consulting a doctor or qualified healthcare professional before using it is recommended, especially if you take diabetes or other prescription medication here. The website itself advises consulting a licensed doctor and says it claims have not been evaluated by the FDA. And they do specifically mention that in the FAQ section here. So that's why consulting a doctor is a better or the best thing they could do first before taking this. And this applies for anything that you're going to take in the future. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.